I walk these streets where silence sings, dust in my chest and rust in my rings. Her perfume still lives in a breeze. Got memories clawing down to my knees. Coffee gone cold, record still plays. Crackling blues in these heart-struck days. A photo curled by the window light, still waiting for her ghost each night. Oh, I bleed in rhythm, cry in time. These hands held love and watched it die. But her voice, it haunts my every breath. A melody made of love and death. Yeah, we talk like thunder in a midnight room. Two souls crashing like an old swing tune. She said, don't love me if you're scared to lose. Now I sip pain from these rhythm and blues. I wear regrets like a second skin, trying to scrub out where the lies begin. No mask, no code, just naked truth. I wrap these scars cause they gave me proof. The night don't sleep and neither do I, cause I dream in vinyl and she's the high. Still hear her humming through the door, like every goodbye etched in the floor. Oh,